Right, so I'm going to show you how to use the filing. Stihl 2-in-1. I've marked it 36, 66 because it does the 36 to the 66. It's pretty simple. You have to line it up. So basically, how I line this up, where you got your file, you have to run the square edge, the square bar on your cutter against the one you're cutting with the file right in the face, and then the other square bar sits on the cutter in front. So they sit there and there. So you're cutting like that, yeah. And then you've got lines, little lines on the actual device that tell you obviously the line of the guide bar. And all you literally do, put it in your vise. The vise is always going to be better. Push both hands, come across. It's lovely, and it'll also cut down your rakers at the same time. I think they're called rakers. I can never remember. They basically set the depth that the tooth cuts in. So that's why it's called a 2-in-1, because it cuts the cutter and it'll do the raker all in one swoop. And you get two hands, so you get more power, more control, and it is a lot easier. You just literally slide across like that, slide across like that. And I'll show you the. I'll do it this way. It's gonna be a pain in the arse doing like that, but I'll try and show you. So with that, so literally, as you can see, goes like that on that cutter, on that cutter. So basically the two outside, the inner bar and the outside bar sits on the cutter just like that. It rides along, and then does two cuts in one. It's really simple to use. And then when you're doing the opposite side, you have to spin the bar over, the filer over, and just make sure again your cutting edge is the right direction, and the bar, the one closest to the file, sits on top of the tooth you're filing. So you've got that side, and then you've got that side. So see the bar and the file right close, bar and the file right close, and then the outer bars basically ride on the tooth in front, and they keep it all nice and orientated. Again, when you're cutting, don't cut like that, don't cut like that. Keep it as flat as you can, and obviously where you've got the markers that go in line, you keep your guide bar in line with the markers as you cut them. It's that simple. They're really easy. Hopefully that helps you. Thanks for watching. I will have to edit some of that stuff out.